Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get all black tattoos to your body in NBA 2K26, or like if you wanna cover your body in black ink. So this is how you can do it. First, just get inside the tattoo shop. Then here we need to get into this one, letters and numbers. Right here we need to select the style 10, which is right here, and from here we gonna select the M letter. Just spam that and hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation in order to put them to our body. So firstly we'll select this one and it would be on my arm. So just make the right stick all the way up in order to increase the size and just rotate that like this and just put it here by using the left stick. Okay, hit A, then go to this one. Again we're gonna follow the same process. Move the right stick all the way up, rotate the right stick again and move this up by using the left stick. So as you can see, the half arm is now covered with the black tattoos or black ink, and this is exactly how you can cover your whole body by using this trick. It will cost you around 20,000 VC, and that way you'll able to cover your whole body in black tattoos. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.